RTR, this is CS5. Join together. Or this one is riser, mapping skill. This one is the other side is below the ground. Below the ground is RTR connected with plants, for example. And then below ground is 60 or 80 centimeter. Okay. And then this one is below the ground. For example, riser like this, coming like this. Okay. And then this one, for example, RTR. And then this one is CS5. Join together or both RTR pipe, same application. Okay? So, for example, this one, you need to cover it only by face. This one, you can cut it crosswise or lengthwise by knife. And then after you cut it by knife, crumple it. Don't worry the materials. Okay? The materials is friendly materials. This one, MAPI toxic. Okay, if you have this one, we need 45 degrees only. Okay, no need to put too much. If you put too much, you have a lot of materials you will use. Your company will cry, our company will happy. You need to buy more materials. That's why we recommend only beginning of your ball 45 degrees, 45 degrees. If you can make it less 45 degrees, that you can apply our materials, no problem. But don't make it sharp like this. 45 is enough. Don't make it too much. Crumple it, put it same like this. Okay?
Only by hand, huh?
By hand. This one, if too much cold, sometimes it's very hard. So I recommend, if you apply these materials at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, you need to withdraw in your warehouse and then you put in sunlight. Okay, so that it's easy. Okay, because if there is, if you just withdraw in your cold room, this one is become very hard. Okay, same like this. See, it's not easy to apply now. Okay, no tools, no need tools. This one, by your hand only. Okay, thank you. Because I'm out of power. Okay. The way you apply the materials is your utilization of your hands. Supposed to be, you apply 2 kilograms on this side, same 2 kilograms on the other side. Okay? This one sheet is 2 kilograms. For example, you use 2 kilogram here, same on the other side. Don't put 2.5 and then 2 kilogram here. So it means this one is big, this one is small. So it's supposed to be equal. Okay? Equal, so that you have a good application. Because I told you, your beautification of your application is in your hand. If your inspector is too much tight, tight. So to make it your application good, as per on our what we call recommendation. Yeah. So you make it like this. You make it good, For example, you put it already the whole wrap, the whole plants. If you have gap on the plant, you just make it refill. Just you know to cover the gap. Okay. Don't put too much inside. No need to put inside too much. Okay. I will put plastic because if I will put the second wrap, it's not easy to remove. Okay. But inside, don't put plastic. Maybe plastic. But then PID he will. Why you put plastic? This Filipino, he show me there is a plastic. But this one is just only for training, Okay, for example, you finish already put the paste. Now you need to apply also the inner wrap. The inner wrap, it depends how big is your flange. If your flange is big, you can use also this one, or you can use the big one. Okay? In inner wrap, you need to apply horizontal. Okay? Take it the center. Okay? Beginning of your 45 degrees, you need to overlap 1 inch or 1 cm to 1 inch. Okay? Like example this one, I put in center and then you have overlap 1 inch on the other side, 1 inch on the other side. Okay? You can start here, you can start here, or you can start on that side. So, I will take the center. I will start on top, for example. Okay? Like this. Paste it first on the center. Okay? Like this. And then slowly, same as you are wrapping a ball. Okay? And then, again, you take again the center of this one, just marking like this, okay? And then 1 inch. And then 1 inch overlap, okay? Again. It's easy, very easy to apply. And then 1 inch. Like this again, okay? And then just hold it like this, always on the bottom. Then one more. Until you covered the whole wrap, the whole plant. Okay? Come, pare. Okay? This is your starting your 45 degrees. This is your starting your 45 degrees, right? From here to here is your 45. So this is coated. So from coated, you need to overlap 10 centimeter again here. Okay? Starting your 45 degrees, you need to cover up 10 centimeter on your factory coating. Okay? Because this is coated. Need to wrap, one full wrap. Okay? In our side, 10 centimeters is enough. Sometimes, Sarako, they will ask 30. 30 on the other side. Okay? Sometimes above ground or below ground. Okay? But in our side, above ground, 10 centimeters is enough. So this is 10. This is 10 on the other side. So you need to cover this one by 10. Do it like this and then make it little. Tight it like this.
This also one inch?
Sorry?
This also how much?
10. Always.
10 always.
Okay? In our side, always 10 overlap on the factory coating. Always 10. Yeah. But in Aramco, always they will assume 30. 25 or 30. Okay, this one you need to. After finish, you need to massage your application, okay, to remove air. And then to make it smoothly. So, if you apply your CGH, what you call paste, you need to apply smooth, okay? So that if you apply the inner rub, you can make it smoothly, not same like this, okay? So the way you apply your CGH paste, it's much better if you make it very nice, smooth, okay? So that the outcome of your CGH rubbing band inner rub is smooth also, okay? After that, you do holiday test again, 10 to 15 kb. On the black one, don't apply the black one in one direction only. Maybe same like this. Maybe one direction like this. Okay? You need to apply your black one cross. It depends how big is your plants. If 3 times cross, 4 times cross, maybe skill until you cover the whole plants. Okay? Now, 3 to 5 milli, 2 rounds. 3 to 5 milli. 3 to 5 milli. Yeah, and then tight it. Okay, this is 2 rounds. The materials you can play. You can direct it here, you can put it like this. Okay? And then he will cross it. But avoid the shrink, avoid fold.
After the roll finish, how you apply it?
Same.
25, 50, 15 centimeter.
ايوه. ايوه. Don't leave the materials. Don't leave the green one without black. Okay. For example, it's happened. Okay. What you will do? Okay. 1, 2. Okay, it's covered already. Kalas? Last. This one, you need to cut it bottom. Okay? But supposed to be mappy same, ha? Before you close the materials, you need to cover everything. Okay? So that don't make it double your materials. This is 30 meters only. Okay? So don't waste your materials. Okay? So this is how you apply your plants. It's